Welcome back to my shed, and while I was editing my last video, which was the reindeer ornament on the bandsaw, I just wondered, I wonder if I could get a bigger one. So this would be the maximum cut height on my bandsaw, so I thought I'd give this a go. And what great way to use up all my scrap wood that I've collected over the years is to laminate one big sheet of it together and have a go making a reindeer. So I hope you stick around and see what the outcome is, and watch me hopefully tidy up the shed a bit. Now, let's get started. First thing, I start out by sorting out all my offcuts. Most of this stuff has been thicknessed already, so it should be nice and flat and easy to glue together. And now I'm choosing the pattern that I like with all the different colour shades of wood. When I'm happy with that, I took it over to the miter saw. I removed any nail holes and then over to the bandsaw to cut it down into size. And when I'm happy with the square block I had, I laminated it all together. Scraped off any glue drip out and then hit it with the belt sander just to try and make it nice and level for when I'm cutting it on the bandsaw. Grabbed my template and then attached it with some spray adhesive. Then over to the bandsaw, started out by cutting out the antlers and the legs sections, and then now finished cutting out the full body layout. I then reattached the bits I've offcut with some tape and then turn it on its side, then cut the side profile out. Now over to the belt sander, and then the orbital sander, then the drum attachment to the drill sander. So I get this nice and smooth. And I also did a bit of hand sanding. Then I put some sanding sealer on it. And a little bit of hand sanding again on top of that, and then I used a clear wax finish. Hope you enjoyed the video and enjoyed seeing me make this guy. He's a lot bigger than my normal ones, but a bit annoyed about the little damage here. I got mixed up when I was gluing up and I put the board the wrong way around. As a simple error like that, it's just annoying, and these things happen, but oh well. I filled it with a bit of wax, but maybe I should put a bit more wax in there if I can. But yeah, I really like the outcome, and as you can see, this is the normal ones I make, like you saw in my last video. So it is quite a lot bigger. So that's kind of the max of my bandsaw. The plans for the smaller one will be available on my Etsy store. And by the time this video goes out for this one, these will definitely be available on there, with a link will be down below. And just hope you enjoyed the video. And if you could give me a thumbs up and a comment, that'd be great. Just jumping in on the end of the video here, because I just had another thought. I wonder if I can go bigger. What do you reckon? Cut it in a couple of stages, then glue it together after it's cut. Leave me with that thought and see what I can come up with. See you in the next video.